This is a back passenger tire up against the line. This should be pretty thrilling, depending on how traffic is. Doesn't look too bad. Got my emergency lights going. I always grab my tool bag. I want to do things in the least amount of steps possible. I got my gun warming up in the truck, so I forgot that. Obviously, I'm an idiot sometimes. Alright, looks like traffic can see us. Guy's already got his car up on a jack. How you doing, buddy? What do you got going on here?
Well, the actual thing to take these off, like it's corroded.
Okay. All right, let me have some. Okay, you got something else? That's full. All right, let me have some room, buddy. This guy's already got his jack on there, but it's in the wrong place. That's not important right now, buddy. Let's get out of here. I'll throw that in the trunk for you. So you got it? Well, you did half the work, buddy. That's just a donut, so take it easy. Get it switched out when you're able to, but you're good to go. Have a nice day. Oh, that went pretty good. I hope the camera caught it. Haven't quite figured out this head mount. For video, but whatevs. Nice easy Sunday morning traffic. Didn't even feel like I was in traffic.